Hello
Good morning.
students, Namaskar and good morning to everyone. Am I audible and visible to everyone? Yes ma'am. Okay, so let's start our class with the prayer. All students, please do your camera on and unmute yourself for 1 minute. All students, do your camera on.
My camera is
Not
on.
my Your camera is on, but you are not. I am not able to see you. All students, do your camera on. And yes, in this week, in our school, we are going to organize solo singing competition, right? So everyone, unmute yourself. I want to hear everyone's voice. Who is Neha Thakkar in our class and who is Arjit Singh in our class? Okay, I am able to see Veer and Dvija. Rest all students, please do your camera on. Okay, now it's the time for the prayer. Unmute yourself, join your hands, close your eyes and sit straight. 1, 2, 3, start. Those students who are not doing their camera on, it means आपको prayer की कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, right? Right? आपको prayer की right? You don't want to call God. Okay. Om
भुवस्वः
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ओम शांति Now rub your hands. Touch it on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Okay, now everyone is looking very energetic, isn't it? Yes. Now it's the time for the attendance, everyone. Please pay attention here for 1 minute. Today's date is 8th of July. And roll number, this class is 6A, right? So roll number 1 to 10. Please send your roll number quickly in chat box. Roll number 1 to 10. Please send your roll number quickly in chat box. Kate, the Manav, Manat, 10. Yasika, 17 is come between 1 to 10. 8. 8 roll number Shyam Bhimani. Shyam, your roll number is 6, not 8. Bhavya Sai. Okay, Bhavya, 9 roll number is present. Okay, beta. Okay, now roll number 11 to 20. Send your roll number quickly. 18, 16 present. Okay, Divya. 18 present. 19 present. 13. Okay. Now roll beta. Roll number 1 is also present. Okay. Okay. Roll number 21 and onward. Send your roll number quickly. Mahi, don't send this many times. 25 is present. 21 is present. 23 is present. 29 is also present. Okay, 31 and onwards, please send your roll number quickly. Okay, 33. Rest all students, if you have not shared your room number, then share it quickly. 31 is present, okay. Okay. Total 21 students are here. Okay. Now can anyone tell, Shyam, you can do your camera off now. Shyam Dami. Okay. Now let's talk about our today's learning session. Any idea what we are going to learn today? 21 is also present. Okay. Okay. Any idea what we are going to learn today? Which chapter is going on?
Male
Chapter is going on?
merge.
Male merge. So on last period I already explained about the male merge. Can anyone explain what is the meaning of this? Male merge, what is the meaning of this?
Ma'am, I can't understand because in last period your voice was cracking.
Okay, is it coming properly to you now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the meaning of male merge, that, let me give one example to you. Suppose New Era Global School is going to organize annual function, okay, and from school side we want to send individual letter to individual parents. Then someone's mic is on. Mr. Gule, please mute yourself. Mr. Gule. Mr. Mute yourself. Okay. So, we are going to organize annual function, and approx 1000 strength is there in our school, right? So, it is not possible to type individual letter to 1000 parents. So, we have here one shortcut, simple. We have to type that letter one time only. Then we have to manage whatever details we want. That details we can manage in Excel, or we can type that detail in Access, 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 or Excel, EXCEL, right? Then that database, that file, in that file you have to add the fields, and in fields you can add a record कि किस को letter भेजना है and what detail we require. Suppose if we are going to send a letter to your parents, then we require first name, last name, address, phone number. Understood? This much data is enough, and yes, yeah, this much data is enough, I think, to send, right? Then we have to make in Excel this kind of database, and then we can access this file in the Word. Hanji. Hanji.
Ma'am, Niyati Rayani present. Ma'am, I joined late due to Ma'am, I joined.
Beta, don't disturb between when I explain you. You have to ask me in last regarding this. If you join late, then you have to drop one message in chat box. Okay. So let's learn how to do this kind of shortcut keys by using mail merge options. So are you able to see my computer screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, don't do your mic on. If I ask any questions, then you have to reply in chat box only. Okay. So here I type one letter. Now parent's name. Instead of parent's name, I want to type your parent's name. So I'm just giving this red. Instead of address, I want the address of your parents. So this is I'm giving red. Red, it means मुझे ये delete करना है, इसकी जगह पे कोई और names आ जाएंगे. Understood everyone this much? So let's start the steps. Everyone please open in your textbook page number 25. In page number 25 they have given second method. How to use the mail merge option. अगर आपको first method नहीं आती है, then you can use this second method. If you don't know page number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, अगर आपको लास्ट पीरियड में जो मैंने करवाया है, if you don't understand this, then it's okay. Here on page number 25, second method is given. You have to follow this method. Both methods are same, but in this method they are explaining everything here. And जो second method, first method हमने किया था, उसमें यहाँ साइड में सब कुछ आता था. Okay, everyone understood? So can I start? Okay, this step will read by the Swarashoni. Swarashoni, will you please tell me what is the first step?
Yes, ma'am. On the right hand side, a male merge task pen appears.
Okay, wait 1 minute. 17 is present. Okay. 17 is present. 15, but 15 roll number. Yeah, present. 26 and 28. (26) Gia. Okay, here. And 28. Okay, and 25, 27. Okay, okay. So this is right. Okay, beta. Gia is my sister's name. Okay, beta, you have to write your name like Gia oblique and then here. Okay? Okay, first line is read by Swara. Create your main document in Microsoft Word. बेटा आपको ये read करना था. This one, right? First line. So first of all, I just created one document. Okay, I created one document. I already typed the document. Second, please. Second line, Swara. Second step. Yes, Rushabh, start reading second line.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Click on the
Mailing tab. Okay, where it is mailing tab? Let me find this. Yes, mailing. Here it is. I'm just clicking on this. Okay, then.
Under this tab, click on Start Mail.
Okay, Start Mail Merge. This option is available here. Start Mail Merge. I'm clicking on Start Mail Merge and then select email. Okay, email. I'm choosing this.
Click on Start. Under the.
Okay, we can choose anyone from here. Huh? I'm choosing later. So you can understand it properly later. Later is looking proper. Okay, then next line will read by the here. Okay, Yashika, read third line quickly.
Yes, ma'am. Click on the select recipient and the start mail merge.
Okay, select recipient. Clicking on select recipient. Then
to create a new recipient mail list, follow the steps already.
Okay, ठीक है. It means जो आगे के pages में steps दिए, that steps I have to type. So I'm just clicking on type new list. We are on 25 page number. Okay, so I'm just clicking here. So if I want to give new entry, then I can give new entry. Here customized columns are there. From customized column, I can choose some columns from here. हम ये सब type नहीं करेंगे. I'm using customized column. First of all, I need a first name. Right? I'm adding first name. Type the name of the data. Okay. First name. So I'm adding first name here. Ma'am, your screen is not coming. Okay. So here first name I am trying to
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your screen is stuck.
hello. Here, but voice is breaking. Okay, Rishabh, will you please tell me what is your father's name? I am going to invite your father in annual function.
Vimal bhai. Vimal bhai.
Vimal Bhai. Okay, so I am typing Vimal Bhai here. Okay, Vimal Bhai, then Gandhi. Gandhi. And then company name, no need to write company name, right? Then address, I'm not writing whole address, I'm just writing Morbi 1. Okay? Morbi 1. And then giving tab, state, no need to write this all things. Yes, phone number, I'm writing phone number. Okay? Now, if I want to do next entry, then next entry, we are going to invite Divya's father. Yes, Divya, will you please tell me your father's name?
Dipen bhai. Dipen bhai.
Dipen Bhai. Dipen Bhai Halwadia, right? He is living in Morbi 1, suppose. And the phone number of his is... Okay. Next, we are going to invite Asutosh's father. Asutosh, will you please tell me your father's name?
Praveen. Praveen. Praveen Singh. Praveen Singh.
Raveen Singh. Raveen, and then Singh we are writing here. Singh. And then Morbi 2. They are living in Morbi 2. Morbi 2, the phone number of him is... Rishabh, do your camera off. This much entries are enough now, right? So I am giving on OK. Once I give on OK, okay, Darshil, once I give on OK, they are asking to save this file. So I am saving this file by data, days to invite annual function. Okay, I am just saving this document on desktop and then giving OK. Okay, what is third step? What is third step? It will read by the Darshil Naranya, page number 25. Sorry, fourth step. Darshil, you have to read fourth step. Darshil. Ma'am, can I read? Yes, Priyanshu. Fourth step, please. Quickly.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Click on address block in write and insert field
And
group
fill up the
and
data.
fill up the data.
Yes, here is one address block. You can skip this also, right? Address block and greeting line. If you want to add address in your letter, then you have to just go here, address, and then you can choose any format from here. When we start to write anyone's address, at that time, first of all, what we write, the name of the person. So here I have written Vimal Bhai Gandhi. So if I want this in this format, Mr. Vimal Bhai Gandhi and then comma, then I can choose it from here. You are able to see the preview. See, if I choose this one, then Vimal Bhai is written here only. If I choose this one, then Vimal Bhai Gandhi is written here. If I choose last one, then you can see Mr. is not coming there. Okay, so you can choose it anything from here. I'm not choosing anything from here now. I'm just giving cancel. If you want to add anything, then you can choose it from here. Okay. Once you click on this, you can see address block is here. In this address block, the name of person and then city name will appear here. Understood? This is the meaning of this. If this we are going to change when we type the name of the recipient at that time. Next line will read by the Shyamgami. Next line, Shyamgami. Shyam is not
Yes, ma'am.
available here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start reading. You have to read this line. Greeting line wala.
Click on the greeting line in the field group and the insert the line and the insert the line.
Yes, so greeting line we can add here. I'm just giving enter subject invitation letter to parents for school function. Here I'm adding greeting line. So I have to put my cursor here and then I can choose greeting line. Once I choose this, they are asking what you want to write there. To dear, then Mr. and then comma and then OK. Once I click on this, greeting line is written here. You can see. Understood? Okay. अगर आप ये दोनों ऑप्शंस यहाँ से नहीं करते हो, then insert merge field. From using this, you can add it from here. Okay, आप ऐसे भी add कर सकते हो. Next, third option will read by the Vrija. Vrija, third line.
Okay, ma'am. Click on
I mean, next
insert
one.
merge field. What, ma'am? What, ma'am?
जी continue बेटा. Continue बेटा.
Click on insert merge field in right and insert field group and insert the field required.
Yes, it means whatever remaining data is there, that data we can type it from here. We can add it from here. But first of all, what is the main step? You have to put your cursor there. I'm just putting this cursor here. This red, it means we are going to delete this. This is I have put for the understanding. Yes. Now what field is remaining? Address we already type in the address. They are taking first name, last name, and then city. And we already put greeting line. Then what data is remaining? What data is remaining? Yes, work phone, home phone. Okay, so I'm entering this home phone here, and then I'm giving OK. Now we are going to delete this all portion. Now next line will read by the Bhavya Shai. Bhavya Shai, next line. Bhavya is available here. Nishta, mute yourself. Okay, Bhavya is not available. Yash, Bayani. Yash.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have to read this line, last 2 second one. Next, voila. Review results. Quickly. Yash. Okay, Divya, start reading this one. Last 2 second wale.
Okay, ma'am. Next, click on preview results. Preview results group. If the merge mail is exactly as you had planned.
Okay. So I am where we was here. Preview result. Once I click on preview result, you can see first entry was Vimal Bhai Gandhi, Morbi. and phone number is dear. मैंने जैसे आपको बोला था कि हम ये डिलीट करने वाले हैं. Then dear, देखो greeting line हमने ऐड की तो dear Vimal Bhai Gandhi is written here. Now here find the recipient. You can see first recipient is here. I am clicking on second. Then second you can see Dipen Bhai Halwadia Morbi 1 and phone number, and here you can see greeting line is here. ठीक है? Rest unnecessary information I am deleting from here. Third recipient, I am clicking on third recipient. Then you can see Praveen Singh, Morbi 2, and the phone number is here, and here Mr. Praveen Singh is written here. Okay, so you can do finish mail merge by using this. Okay, and then if you want to print this document, then you can print it from here. If you want to edit this document, then you can edit it from here. And अगर आपको इसको directly mail करना है, suppose Praveen भाई का document ready है, right? Now if I want to send mail, then I can type mail from here. अगर मैंने इसमें already mail किया होता तो वो already mail ले लेता and उनको automatically mail हो जाता. So everyone understood this? Do you have any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Once you do practice at home, at that time you can understand it properly. देखिए, you can see, no doubt. अभी किसी को भी doubt नहीं है, but when you do practice at home, at that time कुछ भी नहीं होगा. देख लीजिएगा, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है. Here one hands-on is given. Title, first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city and postal code. Here 2 arrows, it means उन्होंने insert किए हुए हैं ये cells. यहाँ से, यहाँ से, यहाँ से. Title, then first name is also here, then last name, then address 1, address 2, company name नहीं रखा है, city, state, title it means surname, and then last name is here, and then here you have to add some things, date, time and vacancy. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ date, time and vacancy. तो इसका मीनिंग ये होगा कि you have to add this kind of things from here. आप कैसे ऐड कर सकते हो? यहाँ से insert में जाके, see मैं सिखाती हूँ आपको. insert में जाके insert अच्छा many data are given here. We don't want this data, then it is not inserting from here. अच्छा we click on preview result, that is why. See, once I click on insert, you can see we can insert that cell. See, I am clicking on here, first name, ठीक है, and then insert. Then we are able to insert this data here. हम यहाँ insert कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से ऐसे enter दे देना है. But now date, time and vacancy, this option is not available here. यहाँ पे date भी नहीं है, time भी नहीं है, and vacancy भी नहीं है. Then how can you do this? Here by using this edit recipient list, in this you can add. आप यहाँ पे add कर सकते हो. कैसे add करेंगे? I am just clicking here and then edit. Once I click on edit, you can see. अगर आप new entry पे click करेंगे तो वो new entry करने देगा. But customize column by using. Once you click on customize column, they will ask for the date is written, not written here. Vacancy, time is also not here. ठीक है, टाइटल को मैं रीनेम कर देती हूँ या फिर टाइटल ऐड करके डेट, DATE, क्लिकिंग DATE, डेट एंड देन ओके. ठीक है, डेट करके एक न्यू एंट्री आ गई. नाउ दैट एंट्री यू कैन ऐड. ठीक है, यहाँ पे डेट करके एक न्यू एंट्री आ गई। अगर आपको ये डेट ऐड करनी है, चलिए कि एनुअल फंक्शन 12 जुलाई को ऑर्गेनाइज होने वाला है सपोज, सो आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन ओके, यस, ठीक है। नाउ इफ आई वांट टू ऐड दिस डेट हियर, सी हियर date format is here, I am giving this red, it means I want to do this red, I want to delete this। तो इसकी जगह मैं यहाँ पे कहाँ जाना है मुझे, इंसर्ट में जाके डेट, I can add date from here, date and then insert। Once I click on this, you can see date will change। ठीक है, understood or not? So let me check first recipient। रिव्यू में क्लिक करके ही फर्स्ट रेसिपिएंट पे जाना है। ठीक है, व्हेन आई क्लिक ऑन दिस यू कैन सी डेट इज हियर। मैंने दीपेन भाई हलवदिया में डेट चेंज की थी, सो यू आर एबल टू सी हियर। गेटिंग और नॉट, एनी डाउट इन दिस? एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, let's revise this. First of all, what is the use of this mail merge? Can anyone explain? Can anyone explain?
Ma'am, may I?
Can anyone Anjit Vija?
Okay, ma'am. Mail merge is used when we want to send messages to so many persons, so we can't type one, so we can use mail merge.
Yeah, correct.
Ma'am,
Message, not messages. You can use word later, mail, this kind of word, right? You have to do practice at home this one.
Okay, ma'am.
आप कितनी एंट्रीज करेंगे? आप इसमें मैंने 3 एंट्रीज आपको दिखाई है इसमें, राइट? 3 एंट्रीज I have shown you. How many entries you will do in your computer? At least 10 entries.
Ma'am, I have
10 entries. Should I repeat this again? Should I repeat this? देखिए यहाँ पे एक वैकेंसी करके भी ऑप्शन है। वैकेंसी मीन्स क्या होता है? वैकेंसी का मीनिंग, सो आई एम शोइंग यू हाउ टू इंसर्ट वैकेंसी। ठीक है, वैकेंसी इट मीन्स फॉर दी पोस्ट ऑफ टीचर के लिए वैकेंसी, या HR मैनेजर के लिए वैकेंसी, या फिर प्यून के लिए वैकेंसी, कोई भी वैकेंसी हो सकती है। ठीक है, सो दिस यू कैन एडिट फ्रॉम हियर। First of all, you have to go to the edit recipient list. Edit recipient list में आप कोई भी रो ऐड कर सकते हो, but you have to click here, database to, ये जो फाइल है उसके ऊपर आपको क्लिक करना है and then you can edit it. Once you click on edit, you can customize column. Yes, once you click on customize column, they will ask you to add. यहाँ पे वैकेंसी नाम की कोई कॉलम नहीं है, so that you can add. I am clicking on add and then typing vacancy. Once I type vacancy and then giving OK and then OK and then OK, right? So here one column is there, vacancy. You can type it from here. ठीक है, अगर आपको यहाँ पे टाइप करना है तो first of all you have to click here, data source. Once you click here, there is one option is there, edit and refresh. I am clicking on edit, so you can edit it. Vacancy for the post of English teacher. ठीक है, vacancy for the post of math teacher, vacancy for the post of principal. ठीक है, that kind of things you can edit from here. But ये आपको कहाँ पे ऐड करना है? That you have to go in new entry. आपको ये कहाँ पे ऐड करना है? देखिए, आपको यहाँ कहीं पे ऐड करनी है वो लाइन। Then you have to go to the insert and then vacancy. Once you click on this, you can add vacancy here. ठीक है, फिर हम ये प्रीव्यू देखेंगे तब वैकेंसी में 3 नंबर वैकेंसी, नथिंग इज देयर। हाँ जी, 4 नंबर वैकेंसी।
मैम मुझे वैकेंसी समझ में नहीं आया।
बेटा वैकेंसी समझ में नहीं आया तो आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग जनरल। कि अगर आपको कोई भी न्यू कॉलम रो कोई भी न्यू टाइटल ऐड करना है, then you have to go to that edit recipient list. In this you have to click here. Once you click here, you can see edit option is available here. ठीक है? आप जब भी इसके ऊपर प्रैक्टिस करो तब आई एम शोइंग यू अनदर डॉक्यूमेंट so you can understood it properly. New and then what document I am taking. From this I am repeating steps. First of all, you have to type a letter. Second step, you have to go to the mailing. Third step, you have to start mail merge option. You can choose anyone from here. वो formatting के लिए है, ठीक है? In last period we learned some steps from here. Once you click on this, they are coming here. The steps are coming here, but same steps are coming here, so you can do work from here also. Next, select recipient, type new list. जब भी आप न्यू लिस्ट टाइप करेंगे तब आपको ये सारी एंट्रीज चेक करना है. टाइटल इसमें है यहाँ पे, यस इट इज हियर. फर्स्ट नेम इज हियर, यस इट इज हियर. ठीक है, आपको कंप्यूटर में दिख रहा है फर्स्ट नेम. देन लास्ट नेम इज हियर, तो लास्ट नेम इज हियर. एंड देन एड्रेस 1 and 2, yes address 1 and address 2 is also here. But what is not given in this? Not given vacancy, date and time. These three things are not given here. So first of all, you have to go on the customized column. ठीक है? Once you click on customized column, which customized column do you want to add? I want to add date 1. Okay, I want to add time. I want to add vacancy. These three I want to add, and then I'm giving OK. ठीक है? Whatever data you want to do enter, that you can enter it from here. ठीक है? जो भी डेटा आपको एंटर करना है आप ऐसे एंटर कर देंगे. आप 5 डेटाबेस एंटर करेंगे. ठीक है? And then giving OK. Then they are asking to save this, so I'm saving this 6A. So I'm saving this document and then giving on save on this document on desktop and giving OK. Now next step, अगर आपको ये दोनों skip कर देना है तो आप skip कर सकते हो. When you do work on page number 27 hands on, आप इसके ऊपर वर्क करेंगे तब आपको ये skip कर देना है. Next, insert merge field. आपको कौन कौन से फील्ड कहाँ पे इंसर्ट करनी है, तो ये सारे फील्ड यहाँ पे है. ये सारी फील्ड यहाँ पे है. कौन से फील्ड कहाँ पे ऐड करना है, दैट कर्सर यू हैव टू पुट हियर. अगर आपको वैकेंसी ऐड करनी है देन यू हैव टू पुट कर्सर हियर बिटवीन ऑफ एंड विच के बिटवीन में यहाँ पे कर्सर ऐड करके आपको यहाँ वैकेंसी पे क्लिक करके वो ऐड करना है. जब आप इंसर्ट फील्ड में जाके ऐड करेंगे वैकेंसी विल शो यू लाइक दिस. समझ में आ रहा है? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड दिस?
Yes,
You have to do practice of this at home.
Yes,
ठीक है? Okay, now Neve, you have to read this one. Everyone have to do practice at home. If you have a laptop or computer, then Neve, will you please read this project?
Ma'am, may I read, Miss?
Yes, Mister. Start reading that project which is given on page number 27. Yes, I will show you the tool. Yes, Peter.
Create a teacher's invitation using Microsoft Word. Use Word
Okay.
to complete the invitation letter. Create the envelopes and labels for the invitation.
Okay.
Make a project file with appropriate screenshots and put down the sequence of steps for each. The project file envelopes with the labels and the letters will be displayed on the project page.
Okay. What happens is we are going to, not we are, sorry, students are. It means you guys are going to celebrate Teachers Day. आपने कुछ planning किया है Teachers Day के लिए. So you are taking one envelope. In that envelope, you are typing the letter to all teachers. Approximately 40 teachers are in our school. So you have to take a printout of 40 teachers. you have to type a letter to 40 teachers. First of all, you have to type a simple letter in word form. फिर आपको जो मैंने एक्सेल में या फिर एडिट रेसिपिएंट लिस्ट से मैंने जो सिखाया आपको एडिट रेसिपिएंट लिस्ट से, वहां पे टीचर्स का डेटाबेस ऐड करना है. फिर उनको इंडिविजुअल इनवाइट करने के लिए यहाँ से लेटर ड्राफ्ट करना है. दैट लेटर का स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है आपको. एंड जो एनवेलप है उसके ऊपर भी टीचर का नेम चाहिए आपको. कुछ ऐसा बना के वो प्रोजेक्ट रेडी करना है. सो विच काइंड ऑफ फील्ड्स यू रिक्वायर टू ड्राफ्ट अ लेटर? टीचर्स फर्स्ट नेम, टीचर्स लास्ट नेम, टीचर्स एड्रेस, टीचर्स फोन नंबर एंड डियर टीचर. एंड देन आपको जो ऐसे मैंने यहाँ पे डेट एंड टाइम का सिखाया ना, तो यू हैव टू राइट अ लेटर लाइक हियर की on Teachers Day 5th September 2021 we are going to organize Teachers Day celebration in activity building. So यहाँ पे जो डेट होगी उसमें आप मेल मर्ज ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते हो. सो टाइमिंग भी आप मेल मर्ज की मदद से यूज कर सकते हो. और टाइमिंग सभी के लिए 7 होगा कि so please be there on 8 o'clock. Right? So this kind of letter you can make and you can invite teachers like this. So first of all, do practice with this. This is very simple actually, but once you start doing work on this, आपको बहुत सारी queries आएगी. So in next period we will solve the queries. Understood everyone? You have to do practice on this. हाँ जी बोलिए.
हमें वहाँ पे टीचर्स डे में सच में आना.
नहीं. This is the project only that I am explaining you. Yes, if you can, then you can invite the teachers by using mail merge option. 30 teachers के data आपको ऐसे type करने हैं, and then you can edit recipient list. Please do practice of these because in next standard में भी ये आएगा. 7th स्टैंडर्ड में भी है, 8th स्टैंडर्ड में भी है, बट उसमें डेटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी आपको यहाँ से नहीं टाइप करनी होगी. एक सॉफ्टवेयर है एक्सेस, यू कैन एक्सेस दिस डेटाबेस फ्रॉम देयर आल्सो. सो यू हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दिस. अगर आपको यहाँ किसी का मेल आईडी पता है देन यू कैन ऐड एनीवन्स मेल आईडी फ्रॉम हियर. अगर आप यहाँ किसी का भी मेल आईडी ऐड करते हैं, चलिए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. Okay. If you know anyone's mail ID from here, where is my letter which I have drafted? Acha, I deleted that file. Okay, if you know the mail ID, then you can type this mail ID here also. ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे मेल आईडी ईमेल एड्रेस में टाइप कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे सपोज मैंने मेल आईडी टाइप किया, देन यहाँ पे जब मैं फिनिश मर्ज करूंगी, फिनिश मर्ज एट दैट टाइम दे विल आस्क टू मेल इट. ठीक है, तब वो मेल करने के लिए आपको पूछेगा. And when you choose that mail ID, automatically Gmail open हो जाएगा and it will send it to you. Okay, your requirement is you want to see the school, but promise me everyone to practice on this. Then only I am going to show you. फिर अगर आपका बन जाता है, then you have to record this portion. आपको क्या record करना है? आप यहाँ पे जब प्रीव्यू, यस प्रीव्यू आपको रिकॉर्ड करना है. प्रीव्यू
मैम योर वॉइस इज क्रैकिंग.
then lobby and an administrative building. Ma'am, your voice is breaking too much. Yes, because I am showing you school, that is why.
Ma'am, where is Giri? Ma'am,
Hanji.
where is Giri?
Where is? Where is?
मैम वो कौन था वहाँ पे? मैम
Jia, she is your classmate. Jia.
के पास लेके जा सकते? के पास लेके जा सकते?
Where?
मैम गिरीश सर के पास. मैम गिरीश सर के पास.
No, sorry, he is upstairs. Okay, see, this is your sports ground. Assembly. See, okay. Okay.
मैम
हाँ जी.
मैम
हाँ जी. What? You are missing school very much, right?
Yes,
Then you can come on Saturday. No, we already invited you, right? At that time you have come. Okay. Now can I leave this meeting, Hanji?
Ma'am, now time.
Yes, now time is over. Take break.
Ma'am,
Bye.
Bye.
That's white ground. We already invited you.
कौन सी डेट?
Invited you. I don't know the date.
सैटरडे है सप्ताह.
बेटा आपने इनवाइट किया था तब आना था. Last Saturday we invited. Okay, chalo, bye. Have a nice day. Take break.